Everybody, and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. All right, everybody, we are on to day 8 already. I can't even believe it. So this is a cherry blossom flower granny square crochet pattern, and it is a perfect fit for your bag or as a table mat, and it would also make gorgeous cardigans and blankets. So let's open this up and take a closer look. So this is another one by Paula in the Cloud. I think she makes wonderful patterns, and I can tell from her photos that they're well illustrated as well. I mean, these are some excellent photos to show you, how to make this. It's perfect. So I would certainly be interested in trying some of her patterns. Okay, so let's move down a little bit and see how she lists this for difficulty rating. Looks like she uses a 5mm hook, and the finished square measures 11 centimeters by 11 centimeters, which is just over 4 1/4 inches square. Let's see here. Okay, so she lists the skill level as intermediate. And let's take a look at the reviews. Kiara says, I made the cutest hat with this pattern. And she also says, once I figured it out, it was super cute. So not a whole lot of reviews on this particular pattern, but it looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. And like I said, these photos just, are going to make it so easy for you to follow. I think it's great. She's definitely, it says she's a star seller. So, all right, everybody. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow for another great flower granny square pattern. Until then, keep on hooking. Bye-bye.